Hello, and welcome back to the Speak Confidently YouTube channel, where we help you improve your language skills and achieve your professional goals. My name is Kieron Walter, and today's video is about how to become a bookworm, even if you struggle with reading. Whether you're an ESL student, a busy professional, or just someone who has yet to have the chance to read much, we've got some tips and tricks that will help you develop a love for books and all the benefits that come with them. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. First, start with shorter books. Don't be intimidated by long novels like War and Peace. Instead, start with shorter books that you can finish more quickly. So many great short books are out there, so you're bound to find something to get lost in. Next, find books that interest you. Reading is much more enjoyable than reading about something you care about. So whether you're into romance, mystery, science fiction, or anything in between, there's a book for everyone. So go and find it. I hope it is a real page-turner. Remember to take breaks when you need them. Reading can be tiring, so it's essential to rest your eyes and give yourself time to absorb what you've read. It's all about finding a balance that works for you, not forcing yourself to hit the books. If you come across unfamiliar words while reading, don't be afraid to use a dictionary. That will help you expand your vocabulary and deepen your understanding of what you're reading, but please remember to edit these lists of words so you can read into and use them in your daily life. Joining a book club. That is a great way of staying accountable and allows you to discuss and analyze what you're reading with others who are also reading it. These conversations will improve your debating skills to see who has read between the lines. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and make friends. Keeping a reading journal. That can also help you engage more deeply with the material and improve your comprehension of its subtext. By writing down your thoughts and reactions to what you're reading, reflect on how your opinions have changed over time while reading the book. Finally, try reading aloud, which is a great way to improve your fluency, comprehension, and pronunciation by recording yourself, as well as help you engage with the material on a deeper level, and a great way of spending time with a loved one whose eyesight is fading by reading it out. Remember, reading is a great way to improve your language skills and a source of joy, knowledge, and personal growth. If you want to learn more about how Speak Confidently can help you achieve your language goals, visit our website and sign up for our courses and resources. And remember, like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.